What are you doing?
Stretching.
Why?
Because United Way is stretching every dollar to make the biggest impact possible.
Are you wearing our daughter's knee socks?
They represent the need that exists. Get it?
Nice. And the short running shorts?
Those are so we can sprint to the finish. We've only got until May 31st to reach the goal of $1 million, so we're making a sprint to the finish. Look for the Apple meter in the Skagit Valley Herald and online to see how we're doing.
Cool. Are you going to wear that outfit all month long?
Is that a problem?
What's wrong? Are you okay?
I was just sprinting.
Really?
I'm sprinting to the finish to create the biggest impact possible in Skagit County.
Oh, yeah. United Way is asking people who want to make a difference to go to unitedwayskagit.org to make a donation.
Or they can text the word Skagit to 41444.
Text Skagit to 41444?
That's right.
You're all sweaty. Maybe it's time to hit the shower?
Nope, not showering until we reach the goal of $1 million.
That is so not cool. I can't even.
Text Skagit to 41444.
Please.
Woo!
What are you up to now?
I think we're going to make it. We just need to raise $5,000 more.
Wow, that's impressive. What can I do?
Join us. We're uniting Skagit County to create positive, sustainable change. Check it out on the website, unitedwayskagit.org.
Cool. Let me pull it up on my phone. Let's see. unitedwayskagit.org. Now what?
Press the obnoxiously large Sprint Now button.
Wow, that was easy.
The drive-in's on the 31st, so donate today at unitedwayskagit.org.